What's up everybody? Got Leah from Pivot's family. Mel, you already know me. Today we're going to teach you some Afro steps. We're going to start with the Shaku Shaku.
The Shaku Shaku.
Shaku Shaku.
Yeah, this is from Nigeria, and big step at the moment. So we're going to start with our legs hip width apart, shoulder width apart, and we're just going to start from the feet, and we're going to work up to the shoulders. So you're going to take your right leg and you're going to step back towards your right shoulder. So you're going to step back. Yep, and it's only a really little step. What you want to do when you step back is keep your hips and your feet going in the same direction. So we'll do that one again. Stepping back on the right and step back. Then you're going to take your left foot and you're going to swing it to the left, and you're not going to step back, you're going to step forward. To the side. Yep, that's it. And we'll do it again to the right, step back, and to the left, to the right, to the left. And if you notice, the footwear stepping off, the heel comes up. And you want to kind of get this little swivel step. So we'll just pick it up a little bit faster. We're going to swivel, 2, 3, 4. Keeping those hips in the same direction as your toes. Really good. That's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll notice that our shoulders moved the same way as our hips as well. So you want to keep everything in line. So you're going to swivel your entire body in the same direction. What you're going to try and do with your head is have it like, you're going to kind of leave it behind and look over your back shoulder. And then when you swing again, you're going to have a little look over the back shoulder. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Then you want to add some arms, some flavor, some, a little bit of soft. So we're going to just do a basic arm where you have crossed arms, and then you're going to pull one, crossed arms, pull the other. So if we go single, single, double, single, double, yeah. So we'll go single, step, single, and we're going to pull on the double. 1, 2. Good, other side. Single, single, double, pull. Single, single, double, pull. Single, double, pull. Beautiful. That was good. Yeah. You can change your arms. You can have lots of different variations. Open, close, open, close. So we'll show you single shaku shaku with an open arm and a closed arm. So you're going to pull open and cross close. Pull open, cross close. Pull open, cross close. Pull open, cross close. Awesome. That's good. Another one you could do is stepping back with open arms and crossing forward. Stepping back with open arms, crossing forward. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's so good. You can also have double bounces and single bounces where you double, single, double. Depending on your style, what music's playing, you can change it up. You can single, double. Single, double. Single, double. Single, double. Nice. Yeah, good. Shall we do some variations?
Yeah.
Single,
Thanks for watching. Practice the Shaku Shaku moves, and every Tuesday we'll be dropping tutorials for you guys straight from the Pivot family.
Straight from home. The home of Newcastle dance.
That
one, do you know that step came from Lagos in Nigeria, and it was like, that's what they call the street boys, Shaku Shaku, and it was like when they had too much to drink, too much like weed, like that's how so the dancers in the area would see this, and that's how the interpretation of like the drug guys, the street guys.
They do like copying people.
Yeah, so that's how it came. So all these things I think are like organic like that.
Yeah.
They just come from actual
party dance stuff.
their life and what's happening.